In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change line to candlestick in TradingView. If your chart is currently showing a simple line and you want the full detail of candlesticks, this quick walkthrough will get you there in just a moment. Make sure you have any chart open in TradingView. The symbol or time frame doesn't matter for this change. First, look toward the top of the chart for the main toolbar. You're looking for the chart type control, the icon that usually displays the current style. If you're on a line chart, it may show the word line, a small zigzag line, or an icon with a tiny arrow indicating a drop-down. This control is where TradingView lets you switch between different visual styles, such as line, area, bars, and candles. Go ahead and click that chart type icon to open its menu. If your window is very narrow, you might need to slightly widen the chart or look for a condensed icon. The control is still in that top toolbar. In the menu that appears, select Candles. As soon as you click it, your chart will switch from the single line to full candlesticks. There's no extra confirmation needed. The change is immediate. You'll now see each candle with a body and wicks. The body shows the open and close for the selected time frame, while the wicks represent the high and low. Up candles and down candles are typically colored differently for quick scanning, and this view gives you much richer context than a line which only traces closing prices. A couple of quick notes to help you read what you're seeing. The time frame you've set, whether it's 1 minute, 1 hour, or 1 day, determines how much trading activity each candle represents. Switching from line to candles does not change your indicators, drawings, or alerts. It simply changes how the price is displayed. If you prefer a cleaner look, you can zoom in a bit to separate the candles or zoom out to see broader structure without losing the essential open, high, low, close information. If you don't immediately spot the chart type icon, remember it lives in the top toolbar on the chart itself. On smaller screens, the same control may be represented by a simplified icon, but the process is identical. Open the chart type menu and choose Candles. That's it. You've successfully switched your TradingView chart from a line to candlesticks, giving you a clearer read on price action and structure. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded view.